started the engineering program, again we did not want to emulate others. We wanted to be different. We want to have innovation from the very beginning. That is why we have programs like this. In the first year itself, we encourage students to innovate. Not only innovate, we want them to apply what is learned in the classroom.
The first year students of the Faculty of Engineering at SLIIT presents to you Young Engineering Expo 2018.
For taking your time to talk to us, sir. Sir, I just want to ask you, what do you think about this year's first year engineering students?
I'm really happy because this is the fourth consecutive time we are doing this exhibition, and gradually it's improved. So this time, so most of the exhibits are from the industrial problems. So they found the real industrial problems from the society. Then they spend their valuable time, almost like 3-4 months. Then they went through the whole theoretical process, how to find a proper solution, and which has been marketable. So then actually they had done a real industrial job, would I say. So then being a first semester student, once they grab those skills and the knowledge, probably can make them a productive, practical engineers for the future. So I'm really happy with the students at the time as well.
When compared to the previous years, what do you think about this year's Young Engineering Expo? Is it a success or?
It's a great, huge success, because most of the last times we were open the exhibition for a limited community, but this time we were able to open for the exhibition for the large number of school students. Actually, they are the people who want to think and set their mentality, because at the A levels they are taking the first life decision for them, whether they are going to do a mathematics or a bioscience, whatever. So once they are open, we showcase these exhibitions for them, so they can think what their passion, so which area they can work and what they really like, who they want to be. For then this time we had almost like 500 more students, so they can see what really happened over there. And I think this will be a good base for them to take a decision, the very first their life decision, to move forward. I think it's a real success.
Hi, can you tell us what your group is and your product name?
We are UGC B8 and our product is dust collecting machine in asphalt plant.
Why did you come up with a product like this?
We decide this because we want to come across with a good solution in asphalt plant, because in asphalt plant there are several problems, because exhaust fan is also damaged due to heavy dust, and also surrounding will suffer from several problems, and we want to come across with a good solution for these issues.
What are the components included in this product?
We specially use here vacuum cleaner, but in industry they use exhaust fan, and also we use several metals.
Any improvements that you wish to add?
We wish to add several improvements also. Here we plan to use a load sense and also a air quality sensor. Because of that, here we use this product in manually. We work it manually. When we select this load sense and air quality sense, we can work it automatically.
வந்து ஸ்லிட்டில் படிக்கிற ஆர்கிடெக்சர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.
ஓ ஸ்லிட் மாலவே
எல்லாருமே
ஓ நாங்கள் எல்லாம் 2 பேட்சஸ்லேருந்து வந்திருக்கோம். நாங்கள் செகண்ட் பேட்ச், இவங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேட்ச்.
தென் அப்போ எப்படி அரேஞ்ச் வந்தீங்க? இந்த எக்ஸிபிஷன் இருக்குது என்ன மாதிரி?
ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அப்போ அதை வச்சு தான் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் இப்படி ஒன்று இருக்குது அப்படின்னு.
என்ன மாதிரி பார்த்ததில் எல்லாமே பயனுடையதாக இருந்ததா?
ஓ நிறைய யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. ஆக்சுவலாக நாங்கள் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நினைக்காத சில ஃபேக்ட்ஸில் கூட உள்ள சேஞ்சஸ் ஒரு சொல்யூஷனுக்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தாங்க. அதோட சிலது வந்து நான் இப்படி திங்க் பண்ணலாங்கிறத காட்டக்கூடியது. அந்த பம்ப் டிடெக்டர்லாம் நார்மலாக லைக் நல்லா ப்ராக்டிக்கல் லைஃப் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. அதே மாதிரி ஃபார்மிங்க்கு தேவையானது அப்படி ஒவ்வொரு செக்டருக்கு தேவையான நல்ல விஷயங்கள் இருந்துச்சு. ஆக்சுவலி இட்ஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல்.
தென் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? எல்லாருக்கும்
கிட்டத்தட்ட நாங்கள் ஹாஃப்க்கு மேலே பார்த்தோம். நம்மளுக்கு பார்த்து வரைக்கும் பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சு.
Can you tell us what your group is?
Yeah, our group is group number 1 from 13 batch.
Your product name?
Product name is Stargazer.
Why did you come up with a product like this?
Well, this is a problem that most astrophotographers face when taking pictures of the night sky. They have this problem of a streaking, distorted image of the sky, because when astrophotographers take images of the night sky, they have to go for a very long exposure. So because of this long exposure time, due to the Earth's spin during that time, the images which come out are distorted. In the sense they have this trailing distortion of stars. So our product aims to solve that issue.
What were the instruments that you used to build this thing?
We used some wooden boards, a motor which we salvaged from a photocopy machine, and some gear wheels which we also salvaged from a photocopy machine, and a threaded bar which we purchased from the nearest hardware store, and I used a tripod which you can see over there.
Making use of sustainable engineering, I guess. Okay. So, any improvements that you wish to make?
Yeah, sure. There are a lot of improvements to be made. First, we have to improve the tripod, which is right now we are using a salvage tripod. So we are planning to add some knobs to control, fine-tune and control the movements of the motion, and also we are going to devise a new mechanism so in such a way that the driving will be so smooth.
මේ මොහොතේ සම්බන්ධ කරගන්නවා මේ ප්‍රදර්ශනයේ සමගින් අද අපත් සමගත්වල් බැඳගත්ත පාසලක අපේ ආදරණීය සහෝදරයෙක්. අපි අහලා දැනගමු මොකද්ද ඔබේ පාසල?
අපි වේයන්ගොඩ ශාන්තමාරිය විද්‍යාලය.
ඔව් වේයන්ගොඩ ඉඳන් තමයි Young Engineering Expo අපත් සමගත්වල් බැඳගන්නේ. දැන් මේ ප්‍රදර්ශනය ඔබ නරඹන්නට ඇති. දැන් මේ ප්‍රදර්ශනය තුලින් ඔබ පාසලේ ඔබේ සහෝදර සහෝදරයන් අතර ඔබ ලබාගත් දැනුම, ඒ කියන්නේ ඔබේ පාසල් ජීවිතයේ ඔබ ඉදිරි අනාගතයේ සඳහා ඔබ ලබාගත් අත්දැකීම කොයි වගේද?
ඇත්තටම ගොඩක් සතුටුයි මේ වගේ එක්සිබිෂන් එකක් සංවිධානය කිරීම සහ අපිට ඒ කියන්නේ ආරාධනා කිරීම ගැන. ඉතින් ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවා බලන්න, ලොකු අත්දැකීමක්. කලින් මේ වගේ එක්සිබිෂන් එකකට මේ වගේ සහභාගීලා නැහැ. ඉතින් ගොඩක් සතුටුයි මේක.
එතකොට පාසල් ජීවිතයේදී දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන ඉදිරි උසස් අධ්‍යාපන කටයුතු සඳහා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට යම් පිටුවහලක් මේ තුනේ ලැබුණා කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ විශ්වාස කරනවා. සතුටු වෙනවා.
you.